Life moves so fast, and a lot happened this week in my sphere. On Saturday, I had the opportunity to help my dad retire officially at the ripe old age of 59. Gentle reminder that life is a marathon. What was cool about that, though, was that there was a social experiment taking place naturally as it relates to the barriers of entry to cannabis. So I had the opportunity to bring some cans, some Wyld gummies, some Sweet Justice cherry cola, as well as some tribal joints by Cannara to the party. And it was fascinating to witness just how barriers were broken for first-time cannabis users in a social setting. Not only that, but a lot of individuals felt what it is to feel somewhat high. And that would have only taken place in that moment because of the trust built within the relationship and the micro-influencers that were there, as well as the environment that they were in, as well as the mood that they were in, again, around comfortable people. And so it leads me to believe that although our industry is booming, what we need to focus on is the barrier to entry. And if we can collectively focus on reducing that barrier of entry, or at least making it a little bit more approachable, there's a lot of value and there's a lot of opportunity to grow the consumer pie. This week we also lost a legend for cannabis advocacy, especially with high performance and athletics, with Elias Theodorou. Rest in peace, Elias. It was amazing to learn from you and to see the work that you did to push cannabis and sports as a medicine and as a recovery tool. Finally, this week we had Hall of Flowers, a bunch of different events from VIP Media, IRC, as well as I threw an executive transition mixer. And what it made me realize even more so was that audience truly is everything, and curation is the next skill that no one's really talking about. If you can curate something, if you can bring the audience, if you can get that community to show up, there's immaculate opportunity laden within that. For this week and next week, my focus is really to understand how to